The way we persuade has changed. The old rules, they won't make waves anymore. Wave makers, welcome to the unrules of presenting. Let's dive in. The world has been shifting beneath our feet. Markets waver, teams question their purpose, and clients have more choices, less money, and less patience than ever before. In uncertain times, one thing remains constant. Your ability to communicate can either steady the ship or send it straight into a storm. I spent 20 plus years training leaders to present with power, influence decisions, create inclusive cultures, and inspire action. And if reflection has taught me anything, it is this: what worked in the past won't make waves today. Not because it wasn't valuable, but because the tides have changed. People just don't want direction, they want clarity. Teams won't just follow orders, they need a reason to believe. Clients, funders, stakeholders don't just want data. They demand measurable impact. And they just don't want compelling stories. They need to feel something to get their commitment. Here's the kicker. If you're still presenting, pitching, or persuading the way you always have, you might be losing the very people you need to move forward. That's why I created the Unrules of Presenting, a bold, no-fluff video series. And I created 200 short, sharp videos on what I had to unlearn as a certified speaker, trainer, and coach to lead with real impact. And these lessons you need to embrace too, because real persuasion isn't about talking more, it's about connecting deeper. This is for social entrepreneurs, nonprofit change makers, and conscious leaders who need to get buy-in without the endless back and forth. Inspire action, not just agreement. Strengthen relationships with funders, collaborators, and of course, clients. And clarify focus in that time of uncertainty. And yes, ultimately, increase the bottom line while continuing to create a sustainable future. Ready to make waves? Share and subscribe so you don't miss a drop of the unrules of presenting.